Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this Volkswagen T28 Transporter in the short wheelbase. This vehicle comes fitted with a 2.0 TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS and comes in the Highline trim model. This van is also equipped with a DSG Automatic gearbox for a more relaxing drive. This van comes in the popular metallic paint colour Indium Grey, and across the front of the vehicle it features a colour coordinated front bumper which houses a series of front parking sensors along with some front fog lamps that also feature a cornering function. As you might expect with a 72 plate vehicle, this van comes with LED headlamps and sits on 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels which come in a 5 twin-spoke star design. Dotted along the rear bumper is a series of rear parking sensor along with the colour coordinated rear bumper as well. The van features rear-loading barn doors, behind which is a spacious load area in a factory-fresh condition, complete with multiple lashing points useful for securing all types of cargo. A look from the side of the load area through the single sliding door located on the passenger side of the vehicle. There's also a full steel black bulkhead and a step. In the cab's interior, the lovely bricks woven fabric upholstery covers all 3 seats, and underneath the twin-seater passenger bench is some additional storage. The van also features a 6.5 colour touchscreen composition multimedia system, which has access to AM/FM as well as DAB radio stations, providing a wide and varied list of different music genres. Driver or front passengers can also choose to connect through the Bluetooth audio function, as well as an SD card slot being provided. This system also has access to App Connect, which allows you to seamlessly connect your Apple or Android smartphone to your vehicle using navigation apps such as Apple Maps and Google Maps, listen to your favourite music through Spotify or Apple Music, and much more. The van's touchscreen system also houses the rear camera feed once reverse gear has been selected, as well as the parking distance control. Down to the left is a 12-volt outlet and 2 USB-C charging points, allowing for quick charging and keeping those smart devices charged up at all times. The van also comes with some excellent climate controls such as 2 front heated seats, front heated windscreen as well as climatic air conditioning. The driver can control a variety of different functions through the 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel. The driver has access to basic input functions such as increase and decrease the volume as well as select their desired radio station or track, and also more sophisticated options such as the vehicle's assist settings. This vehicle comes with a minimum 1-year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or call us on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.